Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2016 Kia Sedona. We're going to go over how you'd replace the low beam headlight on your Kia Sedona here. And so this is the low beam back here. Back here was the side marker, then the low beam, high beam, and then up here is the blinker. So the low beam, we just need to turn this a quarter turn to the counterclockwise to release this cover. Now with that cover removed, you can reach in here. There's going to be an electric connector. There we go. So twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise. Takes a little bit, and that way you can get the connector out. And then you would pull. We can pull the light out of the housing there, and this is the light. These are H7s, so you would take your new H7 and go back through the same process to be able to put it in. And now you got to know that there's a tab. There's a tab right here that you see that flat side on the light itself. That it lines in to that tab right there, and we put that in there. We do our best not to touch the light element because you'll reduce the life of your light bulb. Then you get it in there and fill it out, and then we turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to lock it into place. And with that locked into place, then we go ahead and put the cap cover back on to keep the moisture out of it. So put it in there, another quarter turn to the clockwise, and that's how you replace your low beam headlight on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.